All right, 43-34, leaping off the hat for 6 points with a hatch cover. Blue Alliance, the same on the other side, 77-99 out. 32-50, already going back for another piece. 63-51, looking to place another hatch cover. Here come the drivers. Alberta Tech Alliance turning around. They're going to try and place a hatch cover on the Red Alliance rocket. 32-50, trying to get to the Blue Alliance cargo ship at 50-78, not going to allow it. Flag on the play though. Blue cargo ship already with 2 cargo pieces loaded. 77-99 will add a third. Alberta Tech Alliance working the red cargo ship quickly on the other side. Can't quite place that one. 75-91. Looks like it might be a little caught under the spaceship. They get some help from 50-78. Very sportsmanlike. 43-34. They're out to try and get a cargo ball into the red rocket. 32-50 playing defense on them. Gives them a bump. Blue Alliance playing more cargo balls in the cargo ship. 77-99. Working back for another game piece. Alberta Tech Alliance moves up to the red cargo ship. 32-50. Still playing defense on them. On the far side, 63-51. They've placed 2 hatch covers on the red rocket. Now they'll pick up some cargo to try and fill it up. More defense by Blue on the Alberta Tech Alliance. 63-51 decides they don't want to play over there. They come over here to put some cargo up. 50-78, they go ahead and deploy their ramp for that big climb. Oh, 32-50 and 43-34 have gone tangled. Now they're apart. There was a flag on that. We'll find out what happened later. 63-51 with a cargo ball for the red cargo ship. 75-91, Aurora still trying to get around with that hatch cover. 32-50, still playing defense on red. They give 63-51 a bump. We're into the final 20 seconds. Alberta Tech Alliance, they're lining up. They're going to pick up another cargo ball. But nope, they're going to go ahead and try and climb 50-78. Here they go for the ramp. 1, 2, 3. Give it another try, guys. Oh, 50-78 trying to back up and help them out. 77-99 is up on the other side. They can't quite seem to get the angle. One more try. 3, 2, nope, they'll go for the safe play. We'll be right back, reviewer, and the Blue Alliance lifting off victorious 48-45. A yellow card awarded to the Red Alliance for contact inside.